Good morning, Junior 2. Today we have lesson 2, which is called water. Water. Junior 2, now I will ask you, can you still alive without drinking water? No, we need water to grow. Yes or no? Yes, super. So, water is an essential part in our life. Water is an essential part in our life. What's the meaning of essential part, Junior 2? Yeah, means very important. So, water is very important. We need water to, number 1, live. We need water, number 1, to live. We need water, number 1, to live. Anyone can still alive without drinking water? No. So, we need water, number 1, to live. Number 2, every day we see when we go to the garden, we see the farmer put the water on the plants. Yes or no? Yes. To make the plants grow. So, plants need water to grow. Plants need water to grow. So, we need water to plants. We need water to plants. Number 1, we need water to live. Number 2, we need water to plants. We need water to live. We need water to plants. Super. Number 3, also we need water to play with. When we go to the swimming pool, we will play with the water. Yes or no? Yes. So we need water to play with. We need water to play with. Junior 2, water is very important. Right or wrong? Right. So we need water to live, to plant, to play with. We need water to live, to plant, to play with. Super. And also we need water in our daily life. Like what, Junior 2? Every day your mom uses water to make food. Yes or no? Yes. And also we need water to drink. So we need water in our daily life. In our daily life. Like what? Cook and drink. Cook and drink. So we need water in 4 things. Like what, Junior 2? Live, plant, play, cook and drink. Say after me. We need water in, number 1, live, plant, play, cook and drink. Live, plant, play, cook and drink. Live, plant, play, cook and drink. Super. Let's start from beginning. Water is an essential part in our daily life. Yes or no? Yes. So we need water to, number 1, live. Number 2, plant. Number 3, play with. Number 4, cook and drink. Cook and drink. Super. After that, I will talk about the sources of water. We have 2 sources of water. We have 2 sources of water. Number 1 called natural sources. What's the meaning, Junior 2, of natural sources? Natural means come from nature. God gives us, okay? Like what, Junior 2? Number 1, rains. Rains. Can you make the rain? No. God gives us. So, natural source. Like what? Number 1, rains. Number 1, rains. Number 2, lakes. Number 2, lakes. Number 2, lakes. Number 3, river. River. Can you make the river? No. Number 3, river. River. Number 4, underground water. Underground water. What's the meaning of underground water? Water comes from underground, okay? So we have 2 sources of water. We have 2 sources of water. Number 1 called natural sources. Natural sources. Like what, Junior 2? Rain, lakes, river. And underground water. Like what, Junior 2? Rain, lakes, river, and underground water. Super. And the second source of water is called man-made sources. Man-made sources. What's the meaning of man-made sources, Junior 2? The source that made by man. The source that made by man. Like what? Number 1, water tap. Water tap. We all have water tap in home, yes or no? Yes. So, man-made sources like what, Junior 2? Number 1, water tap. Like this. This called water tap. Number 2, called water pump. Water pump. Water pump. Number 3, called well. This shape or this source of water called well. This source of water called well. So, Junior 2, we have how many sources of water? 2. Natural and made by man. Natural and made by man. Natural and made by man. Natural like what, Junior 2? Rains, lakes, river, underground water. Rains, lakes, river, underground water. But the sources that made by man like what? Water tap, water pump, well. Water tap, water pump, well. Water tap, water pump, well. Super. After that, we will talk about how can you keep the water clean. Junior 2, we also said water is an essential part in our daily life or a very important part in our daily life. So we need to keep water clean. We need to keep water clean. Junior 2, if we throw the wastes in water, water becomes clean? No. So number 1, don't throw wastes in water. Don't throw wastes in water to keep water clean. Number 1, don't throw wastes in water. Don't throw wastes in water. Don't throw wastes in water. Super. Number 2, if you throw the tissue in the toilet, it becomes clean? No. So number 2, don't throw anything in a toilet. Don't throw anything in a toilet. Don't throw anything in a toilet. Junior 2, how can you keep water clean? Number 1, don't throw wastes in water. Don't throw wastes in water. Don't throw wastes in water. Number 2, don't throw anything in a toilet. Don't throw anything in a toilet. Don't throw anything in a toilet. Super. Number 3, clean up trash in river. What's the meaning of clean up trash in the river, Junior 2? When we go to the sea or river, don't throw any waste in the water to keep water clean. So, number 3, clean up trash in river. 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 Number 1, don't throw any wastes in water. Don't throw wastes in water. Number 2, don't throw anything in a toilet. Don't throw anything in a toilet. Number 3, clean up trash in river. Clean up trash in river. Number 4, after we make the cook, don't make like this, Junior 2. Don't make like this. Don't throw oils in the sink. Don't throw oils in the sink. To keep water clean, don't throw oils in the sink. Don't make like this, Junior 2. Don't make like this, okay? So, we have 4 methods to keep water clean. We have 4 methods to keep water clean. Like what, Junior 2? Number 1, don't throw wastes in water. Don't throw wastes in water. Number 2, don't throw anything in a toilet. Don't throw anything in a toilet. Number 3, clean up trash in river. Clean up trash in river. Clean up trash in river. Number 4, don't throw oils in sink. Don't throw oils in sink. Then don't throw oils in sink. Okay? Now we solve an exercise in the main booklet. Okay? Put right or wrong. Number 1, to keep water clean, you must throw wastes in water? No. Number 2, to keep water clean, you shouldn't throw oils in the sink? Yes, right. Number 3, we need water to plant, Junior 2? Yes, put right. Number 4, living organisms don't need water to live? No, we need water to live. Number 5, water tap is a man-made source? Yes, made by man. Number 6. Rains and water pump is the natural source of water? No, rain is natural source, but water pump made by man, so put wrong. Supers. Choose the correct answer. Is the natural source of water. Which of these? Water pump, river well. Yes, river. Number 2. To keep water clean. Throw wastes in water. Don't throw anything in a toilet. Which one? Yes, don't throw anything in a toilet. Super Junior 2. We have homework. Weekend sheet number 2. Thank you, Junior 2.